All right, everybody. This lesson is about friends. And no, not the hit TV show. Sorry. It is about some animals that are friends. So, as you are reading it, think back to the story An Unlikely Pair. See what connections you can make as you read. Because if you take a look, it is talking about some animals that are friends that help each other. So there's just this short text to read. Remember, you can use text to speech if you want, although it's kind of doesn't have good expression while it reads. And then you'll answer the questions in the yellow box. So circle 5 words with the R-controlled vowel spelling. So So really read the words and listen for that sound. Then, who are the friends that Jess is referring to in the interview? Underline or circle sentences that support your answer. So if you say the friends are Jess and her best friend, you better find the sentence that tells me that that's what the friends are. So make sure those match and go together. You're not just underlining random stuff. Number 3, how do the plover bird and crocodile help each other? So how do they help? And then why do they do this? And then what other animal teams have you read or learned about? How is their friendship similar to or different from the plover and crocodile friendship? Remember that video you watched when you read An Unlikely Pair? Think back to that. Go rewatch it if you need to. Or just think about that story itself. That's another animal team that you've read about. So that is the questions on that. Make sure you reread as needed. Reading it 2, 3, 4 times is not a bad thing, especially because it's so short. It's not that long to reread, and that can really help you understand the story, make better connections, answer the questions better. Also, the more details you can give in your answers, the better, right? Saying 1 or 2 word answers is not as good as really explaining yourself and giving some good details. I think that's it for that, so good luck on the story.